Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can block someone from the WhatsApp. So let's start. It's super easy and I will make sure you get it right. Make sure to watch complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's start. First of all, open the app. There is a chat. Open that chat. Now there are three options, three dots present upside. We have to click on it. Now there are so many options: label chat, view contact, media, search, mute notification, disappearing messages, wallpaper and more. We have to click on more. Now there are so many options: report, block, clear chat, export chat, add shortcut. We have to click on block. Now there are two options, block and cancel. We have to click on block. Our contact has been blocked. So this is our video. Thanks for watching. Also please consider watching your sport by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more content. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.